Good morning. McKean Adventures is coming from Fairview cattle station, just outside of Laura, heading towards Cape York on the right hand side. Some of the facilities are toilets, hot showers, you can do your washing. It's a working cattle station, so just be mindful of the workers. There is a kitchen, powered sites, non-powered, toilets, showers, cabins. Just ask the at reception or when you bring up and book, and you can fill up your caravan from the water out of the taps. Some of the just a bit of an overview of Fairview cattle station. Got the nice dam there. You can't swim in there. That's where the workers are in the cabins. That's the men's toilet and shower. There's no dump point for your toilets or nothing like that. You can leave your caravan here on the way up to the tip if you don't want to get it damaged. There's the cabins that you can stay in. The owner's really friendly. It's a camping ground, powered, non-powered. It's $30 a night. Even if it's non-powered, and powered is 30. That's where you leave your caravans if you don't want to damage it on the way to the tip. The highway's just there. Ladies' showers and the toilets are in there as well. They're the cabins on the other side. And wherever the concrete blocks are, there's a fire pit there. Just use them in the designated areas. Over there where all the other timber is, that's where you can grab it. Grab the timber to burn. Water, power. They do have Wi-Fi here. That is Fairview cattle station, halfway up the tip of Cape York. Please like McKean Adventures on Facebook. Please follow McKean Adventures on Instagram. Please subscribe to McKean Adventures on YouTube for more videos, and please visit www.mckeanadventures.com.au. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.